This 3-ingredient remedy is going to really brighten up your skin and give you clear, glowing skin by removing pigmentation, sunspots, dark spots, as well as melasma on your face. So make sure you watch till the very end.
Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm a pharmacist obsessed with health, beauty and wellness. I love to try new products and post every single week, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite remedies this summer. It is super hot in Pakistan and I really needed a remedy to clear up my sunspots because I have been out and about. I've been in the sun for so many days and I do wear sunscreen, but obviously you need to reapply it. So I needed a remedy that will clear up my sunspots and pigmentation and melasma. But I also needed something that would give me a beautiful glow and also tighten my pores. As you know, when it's summer and it's hot, you want tight pores, you don't want oily looking skin. So this remedy will actually solve absolutely all of your problems. It is so easy to make. You only need 3 ingredients. That is right, 3 ingredients. So I try to keep it really basic because I want my skin to just be really used to basic and simple ingredients, and that's actually what really works for me. I've found benefits with using this as opposed to some of the other remedies I've tested out. And the first ingredient that I use is tomato. So I actually use tomato because tomatoes are jam-packed with multivitamins. So tomatoes actually soothe skin inflammation and also stimulate collagen production. They also have anti-aging effects and will remove your dead skin cells. So they will actually give you fresh, bright and glowing skin just on their own. But as if that was not enough, we are going to be adding some yogurt and aloe vera. Now aloe vera is amazing. It has healing properties, and I shared a juice recipe maybe 2 weeks ago. It was my extreme skin glow juice, and I actually drink aloe vera in that remedy, and this time we're going to be applying it on our skin. So just as important as it is to take care of your inside, you have to take care of the outside as well. So what we're going to be using is fresh aloe vera from my garden. Aloe vera contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins A and C, and is also highly anti-inflammatory. So not only will it help with your dry skin, it will help with acne, sunburns, eczema and all of those sort of conditions. So what I actually do is I blend these ingredients up. Yogurt is one of my favorite ingredients because obviously lactic acid will help with our dead skin cells again. So I blend all of these ingredients up in my NutriBullet and I actually put them in ice cubes. So the reason I absolutely love freezing it as opposed to using it as a face mask, which you can, of course, you can use it as a face mask if you prefer, is because it is like ready to go in like little ice cube shapes. So when I wake up, I go to the gym, and when I come back from the gym, I feel like my pores are enlarged from the heat, and I just need like to close my pores and kind of get on with the rest of my day. So I just get 1 ice cube and I rub it across my entire face. It will melt and kind of become a face mask. Then I let the face mask dry and kind of just do my thing, and then I will wash it off within 30 minutes of applying it. I kid you not guys, I've not only got the most amazing glow on my face from doing this remedy, but it has really helped with my sunspots as well, and I highly recommend that you do try this recipe. If you want to try a different recipe, 2 or 3 years ago I shared a completely different recipe using potatoes, so I will actually link that below for you guys as well. And I also post every single week, so make sure you don't miss my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye.